नमस्ते, मेरा नाम Yam है. Hello everyone, this is Yam. I've started this channel to report Japanese stuff to my friends in India. Today, I'd like to introduce the staple-free stapler. This is the stapler. This is a product of Kokuyo, Japanese brand. The name of the product is Harinax. If I translate it, it means elimination of staple. Let me show you how to use it. It's actually as easy as using a regular stapler. That's it. You see, the pieces of paper are binded without a staple. I really like this product for two reasons. One, I don't have to worry about running out of staples. Two, I don't have to remove staples before shredding papers. I hope you found this Japanese product interesting. See you next time. Dhanyawad.